think of okay.
Drinks, most of the
Carrots.
Blueberry drink.
Jollibee lunchbox has write them. You can write the ask them. You can make the human being can go horizontal, diagonal, or you talk about it.
I like that one. I did that. About sweets and this.
like you're aiming in your paper. Okay.
Hello, my name is Kiel. Say hi, Kiel. Kiel is Kinder.
And I'm 5 years old.
5 years old. Welcome to Fort Harbor. We are doing something beautiful.
Hi, I'm a potato. I have vitamin C, potassium, fiber, iron, vitamin C. You can eat me in the oven.
We love to see you, Kiel.
Sorry na po. Wala pa siya
Very in character. Right? He's a main potato. And you have to understand.
That's a potato.
Give a round of applause to Ray.
Ako, Fidel.